Hey guys, wanted to bring you another YouTube video. Finally got the laptop back. So going to do the unboxing and then power it up and see if it's like the way I sent it off. If it still has my software and my information that I had before it was sent off. So we'll see how this turns out. I mean, we've been waiting, so let's see, sent it off in January, so January to February, February to March, and then March to, well, yeah, almost 2 months. So, alright, let's take a look. And it took a while to get it back, so. Definitely the bubble wrap. They didn't. Good thing I kept my power source because I don't see a power source. Almost looks like the same way I packed it, so kind of makes me a little nervous. We'll see. Alright, let's see. Alright, let me just read this. It kind of says HP product repair, customer receipt. Date ship was 3/25. Didn't even say when it was actually sent in first time. Thank you for choosing HP to repair your product. HP created this repair program to ensure your product is repaired to the original specifications. The information below contains the details of your repair. Alright, so this is what they're saying was wrong and was taken care of. Operating system software reloaded. Operating systems updates may not have been applied due to the operating system's reinstallation. Your system's performance may be slow while downloading and applying the updates. Once all the updates are downloaded and installed, your system's performance will return to normal. Any files, application, and external devices that were not already installed at the time of purchase will be reinstalled. If you want to change the default HP account name, follow the change administration and instructions of the URL. Replace parts. The main board was replaced. And then repair actions, update BIOS and operating system reinstated. Perform extensive testing. I don't know how extensive, but I'm pretty sure they were waiting for this main board probably for a while. They said they were waiting for their factory in China, so if they took 2 months again to get it done, so please immediately inspect the return product for any damage that may occur in the shipping process. Claims must be filed with HP 24 hours for the claim to be processed during the support number listed. PIN sign-in no longer works. If you're having trouble with your PIN and password does not work, you can reset either when you're trying to sign in or after you successfully logged in. So, we'll see. Like I said, it was very disappointing for how long it took. So, let's see if it powers on. Wow, it's pretty dirty for how much fingerprints and stuff, so I'll probably have to clean it up. Alright, let's move this bad boy. Wow, you can see me. So that way you can see it's going. Alright, because I need the power cord too, just in case. Alright, so it's still just a moment. I mean, so far so good on the screen. It's powering on, but remember, we had it where if you saw my other videos, it powered on, used it for a couple hours, and then bam, it powered off again on its own. So,
hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Looks like I have to
a little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there,
again.
And we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
All right.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
And last time you saw the video,
your
it took
is set to
30 minutes
United
to
States.
set this up. Let's
is
see
that
how long
right?
this will take.
Your keyboard is set to US 1. Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat vid. Now type your credentials.
Alright, now I gotta type my password. This is a pain. Gotta connect again. Alright, let's try again. So it's kind of trying to connect.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Alright.
Now we have some important setup to do.
The setup. Okay, so far it's moving. I'll probably try to do a boot up, how long it takes. Last time it took less than a minute.
From Windows.
Easily. We can always have a comparison on how long it takes.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short.
Let's see.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Let's see if I remember. What's the... Alright. Let's see if I remember this. We'll see. Because like I said, it's been a while. Does not remember my password, I think. Oh, okay.
Use Windows Hello to unlock your PC with just your fingerprint. It's not only faster, it's more secure than a password. Want to set that up now?
Sure.
Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints.
Right.
Want to set up a pin?
I just wish it remembered some of the stuff I had last time. It's not, but it's not the end of the world. Alright. Got the pin set up.
These are the settings.
Accept it.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose yes to sync your activities.
No, I don't need to.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
So where it says I could use your phone from your PC, since I'm using my phone right now to record this video, I'm probably going to do it later.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
Sure. I usually back up with OneDrive if there's enough space again. Unless
your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
No thanks.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Sure.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
So I had to register and
Almost
protect
done
again.
now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Alright. I mean, hopefully you can see and hear the background. We're getting everything ready. It says it might take several minutes. I hope it does not. So far, it's been 11 minutes to get this set up. But that's a little bit faster than last time. So obviously the processor and the speed is so far so good during this setup and processing time. So hopefully it will stay that way. It does say several minutes. Hopefully it does not take several minutes. I will again, it's very light. You can see I'm holding it with one hand. I know a lot of people have asked if this is worth it. Like I said, when it was working, I thought it was worth it. So, but when it was gone, because of how it was very disappointing to have it only for about a week and it went away. Yes, so one of my softwares is not there. Let's see, choose your HP privacy setting below. HP may use information, may use your information about the system to improve. HP products, sure. Skip. So, I already booted up. I do have to install some. The OneDrive is full, 95% full, which is true. So I do have to upload some of my editing software and everything I had on there. So I do have to spend some time on this to get it set up and working where I had set up, and looking forward to do more editing for YouTube and learn more skills. So, but at least it did not take that long compared to last time to set this up. Obviously, it only took about 15 minutes so far on this video overall. So that's a good start. So next step is to try use it for more than a couple hours or even a whole day to see if that same issue I had before, if it will shut down by itself, or how will the monitor be, will it overheat and stuff like that. So good. This is a follow-up video of the return. Now it's finally been returned. You can see the video screen and everything. Again, I don't have any software, so obviously I gotta work on that again. Go ahead and hit that like button if you learned something new or if you like this video. and go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. Again, together we can build better tomorrow. And if you've ordered something like this off HP, again, have to kind of be patient due to COVID, what they're telling me, and their process. So once I had a case manager from HP, definitely it was great that he was able to follow up and give me updates again, because it was not in his control. He was not able to get, like what he said, he thought it originally was supposed to be early March, then it would push back to March 22nd, then 25th it got shipped. So it arrived here today on the 29th. So overall, we'll see. I'll probably have more updates regarding this laptop. Again, hit that like button. Hopefully more people can see this and then know and what to expect when you do order from HP now. And then also hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support and views. All right, thanks. Have a good one.